In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make film look in Affinity Photo. We'll build a timeless cinematic feel using non-destructive adjustments so you can fine-tune everything as you go. Have Affinity Photo open and be ready to follow along. First, go to Affinity Photo and make sure you're in the main editing workspace. If you've just launched the app, give it a moment to load your tools and panels so everything is responsive before you start making changes. Next, make sure your image is open and active on the canvas. If you have multiple documents open, click the tab of the photo you want to edit. It helps to set your zoom near 100% so you can judge contrast and color accurately, especially in skin tones, skies, and shadow areas. At the top, click Pixel and hover to New Adjustment Layer to reveal your adjustment options. We'll begin with curves, because curves define the backbone of a convincing film look by shaping contrast in a smooth, organic way. Click Curves and adjust the RGB line. Create a gentle S-curve, pull down slightly in the lower third to deepen shadows, and nudge up in the upper third to lift highlights. For a classic film fade, lift the very bottom of the curve just a touch so blacks aren't pure black. Keep it subtle. Small moves go a long way. You can toggle the curves layer on and off to compare, and use layer opacity if the effect feels too strong. Now, click Pixel at the top again and hover to New Adjustment Layer. We'll add color styling that mimics film's characteristic tonal shifts. Choose color balance and adjust the tones. In shadows, add a hint of cayenne or blue for cooler depth. In highlights, introduce a touch of yellow or red to warm bright areas. For midtones, keep changes minimal, just enough to harmonize the image. Aim for balance rather than extremes. If skin looks too cool, ease off the blues and shadows or warm the midtones slightly. Finally, blend the look by lowering the color balance layer's opacity until it feels natural and cohesive. That's your film look, clean, nuanced, and fully adjustable.